Alright, guys, it's been a while I've been learning Chinese, and I want to teach you the numbers in Chinese. Let's start with the first one. This is number one in Chinese, and we pronounce it as E. By the way, there are four tones in Chinese: E, 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 E. These are the four tones in Chinese. So the first one is number one and is the first tone. E, that's a flat tone. Next, we have two. This is how you write number two in Chinese. And this has a fourth tone. Once again, the first tone is E, 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 E. Just to give you an example. Now, number three. One, two, three. So basically, writing the numbers in Chinese is not hard. It's just a matter of learning the pattern, how we write these characters. Now, we pronounce this with the first tone, san, san. That is number three. Now, how do we write number four? This is the stroke order, like this. And number four, we pronounce it as this, s, s. So that is the fourth tone. Now, what about number five? This is how we write the number five in Chinese, and the number five in Chinese has the third tone, which is wu, wu, and that's very easy. Now, what about number six? This is how we write number six, and we pronounce it with a fourth tone, liu, liu, like that. Just listen and repeat. I always recommend you, if you're learning Chinese, just listen and repeat what you hear. That's the best way to learn. Now, number seven is written in this way, and the the Q sound has a sound like CH sound, and we pronounce it as chi with the first tone. Chi. Very good. Now, number eight. How do we write number eight? We write it like this and like this. And number eight, we pronounce it in the first tone, ba, ba, like this. And next we have number eight, and it's written like this. Sorry, number nine, not number eight. Number nine, we pronounce it as jiu, jiu. That is the third tone. And number 10. Number 10, we pronounce it. It's written like this, and we pronounce it with the second tone. Shi, shi. There you have it, guys. Repeat after me. Number one, E. Number two, Number three, san. Number four, si. Number five, wu. Number six, liu. Number seven, qi. Number eight, ba. Number nine, jiu. Number 10, shi. And guys, once you know 1 to 10, all the numbers in Chinese will be easy. For example, how would I say number 13? So, you already know that 10 is shi, so 13 and the 3 is san, so this will be shi san. So, how would you say 15? Well, you know already 10, right? And 5, right? So 10 is shi and 5 is wu. So this would be shi wu, shi wu. We will write it like this. This would be 15. So once you learn 1 to 10, it will be pretty easy. Now, if you liked this tutorial, let me know down in the comments. I could keep making and teaching Chinese to you in this way. Fast Chinese, that's what I like, and that's what I'll try to teach you in these videos. Thanks for watching.